would say it was the best decision we've taken so far. With having that woofing job, I would say our experience got 10x. Because this is so much fun and we can learn so much. Woofing, I would describe it as the best experience for cultural exchange. You have the chance to live with a family, kind of deep dive into the life in that country that you're staying. You're working, doing several different jobs and several different tasks a day. You're getting accommodation and food for free, so in exchange that you're working, you get the accommodation and food, and that's the best thing you can do.
Yeah, pizza.
Perfect pizza. Yeah. How we found it? Well, we found this opportunity here at our host family through a website in the internet. So we applied for many jobs, and when I say many, I mean like 20, 30, 40, and we got a reply. So that's where it all started. And that reply said, well, if you're down to just work for accommodation and food, you're willing to stay. Well, that was the point where he said, yeah, let's do it. And to have that goal or that job, that woofing job as a goal where you travel to in the first 2 months was really nice to take a lot of pressure off us, because we knew that we had a place to stay after 1.5 months of traveling around. Now we're staying here, I think it's week 11 now, so we've been staying here for 11 weeks, working here and at a cafe, so we're doing the two things. Cafe work in the morning and midday, and then at the afternoon we're working here, and it's been awesome so far. That's 10. 13, number 18, number 90, 20, and number 22. I think if you really want to get a deep dive and really want to experience the country itself, I think the woofing opportunities that you have in New Zealand, first of all, is amazing. You have so many people that offer it, and you can, have a really nice look into how people live here. For work, if I say it's easy, that will be a lie. So the work is pretty tough, pretty hard work, like wood chopping, planting, pulling out pine trees. So there's a lot of stuff that's very physical, but we've learned so much, got to experience so many different tasks. Like the first moment we arrived, we saw this big pile of pine wood laying around next to the garage, and We thought to ourselves, that will be our first job. And it was. Two days of 8 hours non-stop chopping wood and restacking that. We felt it after one day. But it was fun, so that was actually cool. After that we did pulling out pine trees because they're passed around here, so we had to remove them. Then planting different stuff like trees, toys. We also paint a lot of stuff, like boards that are going into the unit, up to the top, onto the roof. And had to insulate all the walls and the ceiling, which was really nice climbing up there, doing the second layer. That was a really nice experience. So we had to do several different things that all were like completely different. Insulation, planting, chopping wood, and all in a span of 11 weeks. I would say that was the best experience so far. Toy. After we worked every day, we got amazing food.
Let's go.
I would say the best part would be the food. That was so delicious, like from pizza to stir fry to pasta, nachos. Everything was included, like it was so delicious. Every time you've worked, you always had that thought in mind, oh, what's gonna be today for dinner? Oh, dinner's gonna be so delicious.
We're eating burgers for dinner. Let's go. That's really good, yeah.
Good?
Yeah, that's really good. So I think, yeah. Maybe
It's
a bit
tough
low.
chopping it.
Yeah, it is.
If you want to really enjoy, experience and explore a country and learn about the people and the country itself, I would recommend doing woofing. For us, it's been the best thing so far, like having a deep dive into a family, getting included, really live with that family and doing like those different things and different tasks that we had to do. It was so fun. The best thing that we could have imagined, and that we've been staying here for 11 weeks. I think that says a ton. Working, living, and relaxing some days.
Guys, we're going swimming!
Just feels like home. Feels really nice.
Up to enjoy, to ruin everything you have for food.
That's an experience that will be remembered forever. So that moment and that whole span of 11 weeks will always be remembered up there.
Also, ice cream
And
that
one thing I just wanted to give away and to you, be curious and just go out there, talk to people. If you have opportunities like this, take them, say yes, because those things will probably and hopefully turn out really good and turn out to be the best things that you could have imagined. And we're having 1 week now left with amazing food, different tasks, and a lovely host family that included us like
That's so cold.
we've been living here forever, so it kind of feels like a second home now.